We print papers every day. It is needed for school, office, and daily life. However, do you see 3D printing every day? In the recent years, 3D printing is being used and becoming more popular in many industries. Let's see what Ajay has in stock for us today on 3D printing.
Hi, my name is Ajay and I'm from ExpressRight. Today I'll be talking to you about 3D printing. 3D printing is a process that is used by many companies today. It is a fast, effective, and cheap way to manufacture many different objects. The inventor of 3D printing is Charles Chuck Hull. Chuck Hull created 3D printing in 1983 and he filed a patent for his stereolithography apparatus machine in 1986. He also founded 3D Systems. S. Scott Crump is a self-proclaimed inventor of fused deposition modeling, a type of 3D printing. Vyomesh Joshi is the current CEO and president of 3D Systems. 3D printing uses a method called additive manufacturing. This method makes 3D objects in the printer layer by layer. It completes one layer of the object and then makes the other layers after that. Another common method is FDM, or fused deposition modeling. This heats up a material to its melting point, and then the material is forced through a mold. You can use different types of materials for 3D printing, but the most common one is plastic. People also use nylon in 3D printing. Sometimes there is titanium, steel, and even silver. It always depends on what product you want to make. For example, you can use silver for jewelry. A lot of companies have embraced 3D printing. Autodesk and Amazon are the two biggest companies that use 3D printing respectively. Stratasys and Intel have also been investing in the new technology around 3D printing. GE is partnered with startup companies to manufacture complicated 3D printed objects, which are more durable and have less weight. With 3D printing, the possibilities are infinite. Scientists have figured out ways to print complex body parts with 3D printers. Local Motors started a contest in their community for a design for a 3D printed car. The winner's design was printed and this is how it looks. This is the world's first 3D printed electric car. People have also printed whole guitars. Impressive, isn't it? Two companies, New Story and Icon, have partnered to make a 3D printed house, shown here. Let's watch a short video. In the 1980s, 3D printers were just becoming a reality. Back then, they were pretty sizable. Kudos to Charles Hull for inventing this. Fast forward about 30 years later, we have smaller 3D printers like the MakerBot Replicator 2, as shown here. They are smaller, more modern, and have more capability. There are many advantages to 3D printing. For a house to be built, it might take a few months and it could cost upwards of $200,000. But if you 3D print the house, it will take less than 24 hours and it will cost from $5,000 to $15,000. Also, if you 3D print organs, you can save many lives. 3D printing can also customize prosthetics to your need. Of course, there are also disadvantages. To make a fairly large object with high quality, it could take several hours. Also, workers could lose jobs as people are printing more things right in their homes. There are many fun things about 3D printing. One thing is the 3D doodler pen. You can basically draw in midair. Then you can create cool things like this Eiffel Tower. One interesting thing is the Foodini, a 3D printer for food. You can make pasta, pizzas, and many other foods easily with this great 3D printer. Yum! And lastly, if you want to print a 3D object yourself, you can go to your local library and make whatever you want. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to ExpressRight.
Thanks, Ajay. It's really cool that they're even using 3D printing to make houses and even cars. Isn't it amazing to see a house built for $4,000 to $5,000 in less than 24 hours? I'm pretty sure that countries across the globe can eliminate homeless situation with this kind of idea getting implemented. This is a really excellent cost-efficient innovation. Like Ajay said, I hope you want to make your own 3D model today. I know I do. Stay tuned for more ExpressRight videos.